Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see tan A and cot A expressed in terms of other trigonometric ratios. Okay, what is tan A? Tan A is nothing but sin A over cos A. Right? What is sin A? Now tan A have to be expressed only in sin. So this is okay. Now cos A we can do like this. Square root of cos squared A, right? Sin A over 1 minus sin squared A. Got it? Tan A is sin A over cos A. Sin A. Cos A I have written square root of cos squared A. Cos squared A I have written 1 over 1 square root of 1 minus sin squared A. So we got it tan A. Okay. Tan A, how to express in terms of cos A, the same method. So we no need to do, we can directly write out sin A, I can write out 1 minus cos squared A. Okay. Cos A is cos A. Good. Then tan A will be expressed in terms of cosecant A. What is tan A? How we can represent in terms of cosecant A? Tan A is 1 over cot A. Right? 1 over cot square A square root 1 over cosecant squared A minus 1. Right? Because we know that 1 plus cot squared A is equal to cosecant square A. Okay. Got it? Next is, so tan A we express in sine, we express in cos, we express in cosecant. Then tan A is secant, it is very simple. Square root of tan squared A is nothing but secant squared A minus 1. 1 plus tan squared A is equal to secant squared A. Very, very simple, this one. Okay, clear? Copy down. Now you see tan A I can represent only sin A over 1 minus square root of 1 minus sin squared A. Tan A I express in square root of 1 minus cos squared A over cos A. Tan A (1 over cosecant squared A minus 1). Tan A is secant squared A minus 1. Tan A is 1 over cot A. If you know tan A, this 5 if you know, you can solve any proof very simple. The same way we will do cos. Tan A, sorry, cot A, since we have done, I am directly going. Cot A is nothing but cos A over sin A. Cot A is square root of 1 minus sin squared A by sin A. Okay, super. Then cot A is nothing but now cos A square root of 1 minus cos squared A. Cot A 1 over tan A. As earlier we have done, I am going very quickly. Cot A cot squared A. So cosecant squared A minus 1. Because 1 plus cot squared A is equal to, here you see it, tan A equal to 1 plus tan squared A equal to secant squared A, cot A equal to 1 plus cot squared A. Then cot A is equal to cot A, how to express in terms of secant A? Simple way, 1 over tan A. Tan A is nothing but square root of tan squared a. Square root of tan squared a is nothing but secant squared a minus 1. Okay. So cot a we expressed in 5 tans. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching this.